Man, I want to get sick.
It's the SIQ SHOW. Keep fancy in the easy.
When last night the side of the building where he lived came crashing down.
Lose your home, lose your business all in one shot.
What up, dog?
I didn't really expect it. I just figured I could get it fixed.
That's good. Cheers.
Yeah, probably it's not settled it yet. It's starting to more and more now. I got a place to stay at.
Eating veggie chicken patties from Morningstar with bacon, pickles, tots. The baby boy had a bowl in his head. Say, it's Saturn-Q. What up, though? That's a beat, yeah. Eating lunch.
Tonight, though, no one, including him, is going near that.
Watching the news. I don't like watching the news. They don't have nothing good to say. You shouldn't watch the news. You don't need to know what's all the bad things that's happening. We just got finished doing do it to flavor taste test, so check that out. I'm not sure if we're going to do that, but you all will come along. Oh, baby boy, you stink. Oh, baby boy, you stink. Oh, you're so stinky. Oh, you're so stinky. Oh, you got a stinky diaper. Yes, he has a diaper. Potty training is a fail. A fail. You stink. You stink. So, we are going for a walk. Sid Vish is taking a nap. And, taking out this stinking diaper. And I am so glad that I'm not one of them insecure, low self-esteem hoes. Because if I was, then I would not be comfortable, you know, even making these YouTube videos and listening to people's criticism and things that people have to say. Put all that fake shit on. Fake hair, fake eyes in, fake nails. Everything about me was fake. And that's what everybody liked. Because when I went from having my weaves and stuff to being natural, you know, that's the part of it that you got to go through. People are going to say, oh, what happened? You used to be pretty. Now you're ugly. And I laughed. This man was like, oh, now you rocking the foo-foo? The foo-foo. Damn. But you just have to be comfortable. I can't help it that, you know, I was born with kinky curly hair. You know, y'all got to slap my mama and daddy for that. I can't do shit about it. So I'm going to rock it. And I'm going to rock it all the way down. And that's how I think I look. Well, my husband, actually, someone asked this question before, too. What does Sid Vish think? Sid Vish encouraged it. He took out my last weave, y'all. He took out my last weave. And all the days that I was crying, I look like ooh, I'm ugly. Oh, my hair is nappy. He was all the while telling me how beautiful I was.
You know it's gonna be 1,001 years.
So I'm over here with my cousins, with the fam, and she trying to get me fat. I'm already fat. This is my cousin Huda. Say what's up.
What's up?
And there's my little cousin Toriano. I see Beverly then left out the room, the one that gave me the cake, but I'm gonna take. There she go. Hey! What you do? You got.
I guess I keep erasing for 6.
Oh, hi, Ness. Hi, Ness. I like your hair. Oh, it's cute. Look at this is my sister. Hi family. I haven't seen y'all in so long. Y'all don't even look familiar.
Hey. Hi. That's right. What you got? Singly twins? Marley twins.
Did you do those yourself?
So cute. Thank you.
Oh, take your
I'm not revealing that information on camera.
Oh, okay. Oh, you like the doggy? Oh, you not scared? No. I ain't getting no dog. Aw. Aw. That's cute. I mean, he kind of cute though. He a clean dog. You know, he look nice. I just ain't. Aww. Aww.
Yeah, I'm selling them tomorrow, so I should be out. It's Starlicious Treats.
They can't fight, so they gonna shoot. That's the problem. A lot of them can't fight. So they'll try to shoot.
My niece, you know, she showed me the latest dances, so she about to do the, what is this called? Google Me. So I'll be learning it and doing it soon.
It's the SIQ SHOW.
Invade your airspace without a trace. Our DNA lace your system, another victim. Prediction of them sick inflictions is numerous. The mission, everybody's body consuming us. It's humorous, oh so serious, got you curious. What you looking for? Everything you want, baby, here it is. In your ear, out the other. Tell your mama, tell your brother. You've now been perfected. Did I fucking stutter? Gotta love us once you catch the germ. Them questions of the hour from the answers you can learn. A lot about people, a lot about relationships. A lot of people hating, but ain't nobody hating. Sick. Okay.